How to download and install GCash app to your phone. First, go to Play Store. After that, go to search for GCash. Click on that. Now, just go to the GCash app. Click on install. Now it will take a few moments. After download and install it, just click on open. Now put your mobile number to get started. After put it and you will be able to sign in. That's how you can download and install GCash to your phone and you can use it. So hope that this video helped you out. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.